Alright, let's zip the tank up. Let's go. Let's go. 1.6 gallons per flush. I don't know what year is it from. Let's look in the paper. 2015. I think so. Yeah. So here we go. Here we go. Alright, seriously, my battery is low. Seriously, my battery's at 11%. I'm not kidding. I'm serious. I'm that serious about it. You know. Yep. Things filling up. Yep. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Crap, my phone is like... battery's going down really fast. I'm not fucking kidding. I don't think this video's gonna get taken down because, you know... seriously? This is... let's put the toilet paper up and we're done. You know, we're done. We're extremely done here. Alright, let's go. Now.
Slurring on my words. Slurring on my words. Slurring on